Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you some ways where you can earn money simply by renting out your storage. Did you know you could make a decent amount of money just passively by renting out your storage? It's super duper easy and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first, we have a couple of options where you could do that. What's basically happening is you're going to give away your free storage that you're not using and you'll earn on based off of that. And now to get it started, we have something called Filecoin. Now, Filecoin is basically a digital currency which runs on the concept of giving storage. And what happens is it allows anyone to become a storage provider, which makes you money. The concept is super simple. And the hardware to money in a few commands is basically their slogan. And what you have to do is you just have to come to their website and click on provide storage, and they'll guide you through the entire process. And you can start providing storage for Filecoin and earn based off of that. Another way, and a testimonial in my opinion, is getting money by using the storage way. And this is how it works. Storage is basically a decentralized version of Dropbox. They have advantages like security and safety, and the speed and space available are compromised. And how can you add on to that? You get paid when you give up your space to storage, and it pays you. You get paid the first time at the end of the month or beginning anyway, and then you get paid at the start of the month. It's made once a month and you get paid in a significant amount. You get paid in storage SJCX, which is a cryptocurrency, and you can convert that to BTC or dollars or euros, and it basically allows for you to earn money by donating your storage. And I think this is a great side hustle people can have when they can just donate any additional leftover storage that they are no longer using, and they can earn a decent amount. But yeah, that's basically how you can lend your storage and earn money off of it. I hope this video was helpful, everybody. If you need any more in-depth tutorials about how you can set everything up, please leave them in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.